Good morning or afternoon, everybody. Today's topic is the benefits of becoming an Alice Express partner. With us on the call, we've got Gudrun Olafsdottir, who's the product director for Alice Express. She has been around for many years at Alice Retail and will show you later on what Alice Express is all about. Her nickname is Kua, by the way. My name is Peter Vach. I'm the partner experience manager at Alice Retail. That means that I look after developing our channel, and our goal is that partners have a great experience working with us. Below you find our email addresses, so do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. First, we talk a bit about Alice Retail. The company we are is really an independent software vendor developing business solutions solely for two markets, retail and hospitality. And in all that we do, we have our slogan DNA. It's around easier, simpler, and faster. And we believe that Alice Express fits this slogan and our purpose really, really well. A quick overview about our company. As you can see, we've been around for many, many years, almost 30 years, headquarters out of beautiful Reykjavik in Iceland, and having offices around the globe to serve our partners and our customers. As you can see, we have offices in Atlanta, Dubai, Singapore, a development center also in Malaysia, and our people are all around the world. We have about 250 people around the world, of which more than 100 work in R&D and more than 100 in consulting, helping our partners to serve their customers. Furthermore, we have more than 4,500 customers that run our software on a daily business with 66,000 stores, which means that many, many people around the globe work with our Alice Retail software daily. We sell and implement our solutions through a certified partner channel, of which we have more than 320 around the world. We are very proud that we are one of the 5 global ISVs, independent software vendors, for Microsoft Dynamics, and we work very closely with them, both in the countries as well as with their headquarters in Seattle. Let's talk a little bit about retail, because that's where we're all about. Retail is a huge, huge market, and despite some of the sound you may have heard about retail is dying, we think this market is really about transformation today. It's really giving a different experience to the customers that come to you in the store or online. So keywords we see in this industry today are unified commerce, personalization, loyalty, and supply chain optimization. You find a lot more about this on our website, and look specifically for LS Connection. That's our online partner event, which we held 2 months ago. And we have lots of good content available there, so you can learn a lot about how we position ourselves, as well as how we think about the retail market as such. It's a fast growing market, and it's really open up for new retail concepts. So smaller concepts and kind of pop-up stores, which are really, really hot. If you then look at the size in terms of outlets, so in terms of stores, you see that there's between 20 to 40 million outlets out there worldwide, which means to be between 40 million or 80 million point of sales devices. The market that's looking for new retail management solutions is around 2 million to 4 million retail outlets a year globally. If you then think that we take around 5,000 new retail outlets every year, and we grow rapidly with that since 2012, our market share is still small, which means there's an unconstrained growth opportunity in this market to grow even faster. And that's why we're also having this webinar today to really search for new partners that can help us to address a part of that market that we think still has lots of growth opportunities and for which we have great solutions available. Let's talk about our solutions a bit more in the next slide. So here you see an overview of the main products we offer from Alice Retail. So we have positioned them according to the positioning, distribution channel, and how it's running. So what kind of back-end software scenarios are possible. If you start with the green one, LS1, that's a standalone retail platform that's running. We work together with hardware and technology partners around the globe, which integrates mostly to other ERP back office systems. We're very proud that we just got certified for SAP Business One, which we believe opens up a whole new market where customers are running a financial back office system. They don't want to replace it, but they're really in need of having a retail functionality available. So point of sales scenarios, which fit very well on this. The blue one, LS NFV, is our flagship solution, which we have for many, many years and is built on Microsoft Dynamics Navision. Actually, it's not built on, it's fully embedded in the solution. It has a lot of rich functionality to serve the needs of demanding retail customers today. Big brands like IKEA, Adidas, Victoria's Secret, and many others use this solution to run their daily operations. And you can have a look on our website to find lots of customer references that are available. The unique thing also with this solution is that we have many unique requirements of specific retail industries baked into it. So we have solutions for forecourt, fashion, travel, and other ones like pharma already into the application, which gives us a unique selling position towards the market. We sell the solution via a dedicated partner channel, which comes basically out of the Dynamics NAV world. Then the red one is LS First. LS First is our hospitality solution built on the Microsoft Dynamics 365 for retail, the enterprise retail solution of Microsoft. Here we work closely together with Microsoft Consulting Services to win and implement big enterprise deals. So this solution is very specific, focusing on an industry and also very focusing on the enterprise top end of the market. The orange solution is the topic of today's call. That's our new kid on the block that we launched about 1 year ago, called LS Express. This solution is fully embedded in the new Dynamics 365 Business Central solution of Microsoft that was launched this April in a number of countries. We are a pilot partner to help Microsoft with all the bits and the bytes. I'm very proud to have this cool solution already available, and we will open it up to more markets right now. So let's talk a bit more about LS Express, where it's all about. So LS Express is our software as a service solution for small retail companies. The sweet spot is up to 5 stores and about 15 POSs, so point of sales, for customers that want rich out-of-the-box functionality, personalization, but not a lot of customization. They want to be up and running quickly and run their business from the cloud, preferably integrated to other great Microsoft cloud solutions. That's really LS Express in a nutshell. So the target market is really this kind of the starting retailer or the retailers that want to open up with new retail concepts like pop-up stores, scenarios, and need to be quickly up and running. So in less than 24 hours. They love to have their POS online. They don't need a lot of integrations or customizations. This is a part of the retail market that's really getting hot these days. And you can read on the right side of this slide that this part of the market, so the small business market, has a huge potential in terms of spending on IT. And what they're really looking at, as Tech Asshole SMB is saying here, they're looking for is integrated, interconnected business applications. And that's a potential market that we are after with LS Express. So summarizing what it's all about, you get a powerful online retail point of sales system to manage your business anytime, anywhere. It really fits the DNA of our organization and what we're all about. It's easier, simpler, and faster. So where can you find LS Express? LS Express is available through Microsoft Marketplace, which they call AppSource, and the solution is fully embedded in Dynamics 365 Business Central and interconnected to Office 365. So a full-blown cloud solution offered in a very cloudy way as well via a subscription pricing. You see that the suggested customer price is around $99 per POS per month. And you also need Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which will be around $70 or $100, depending on which version you choose. So for less than $200, you've got a full retail management system up and running for your customers to run their daily business. Now an important slide. And don't run away when you see this slide, because I think it's important to understand. So we have had the solution available for a bit more than 1 year in the 3 countries on the left side. So the USA, Canada, and the UK. And we've been starting with partnerships in those countries as well. And we tell you a bit more around those as well to get some partner references. Soon we'll also release in Denmark, Finland, Swiss, and the Netherlands. And we're very keen on opening up other countries, and we're open for discussions there. What it's really about is the localization that we need to build into the application. And we have a lot of localization knowledge from our other solutions that we take into account here. So we're very keen on rolling out AliExpress in other countries, and well, I'd love to have a chat with you on get that going. So if you're not listed here, don't worry. Let's take a chat and make sure we can launch in your country too. We need strong partners to make this happen, and we are committed to get us going together quickly to capture your local market opportunity. AliExpress runs on the Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, as I said before, and so that's the product that's available in Microsoft Cloud Solution or the Cloud Solution Provider Program, and we are a Microsoft CSP partner as well. You order this solution via the LS Retail Business Center, and there's our team happily waiting to help you further. So if you think about partnership and LS Retail and where it fits, that's what we've been talking about, then these are the prerequisites we set for partners. How can you become successful for a partner? What are we really looking for? Well, as we said, this is a software as a service solution. So it's great if you understand how that market works. So you're not selling consultancy here, but you're thinking really in volume, and you're offering value on added services around LS Express. Think about training, help desk scenarios, offer interconnected solutions like Office 365 or Power BI. And maybe you even want to offer marketing or accounting type of services around it. I think if you wrap that up and package up the services around this, then you've got a great offering to this small retail market and really can be successful with this solution. And we've got a good example of a partner later on in this deck. It doesn't really harm you if you know Dynamics 365 or Office 365 on it, but that's something you can learn as well. And Microsoft has a great program up and running right now to get ready for Microsoft Dynamics 365's Business Central. What's more important, we believe, is really knowing retail. What we have seen with all our new partners, if you know retail, you know really what a POS is all about, you know what it takes to run a retail business. That's really key. And maybe you think a bit out of the box, start your own retail company and learn what it takes to get going. We have some nice stuff from Iceland, probably you can sell in your country. No, just kidding. But I think it's really cool to know what retail is all about. So if you have those, then stay tuned and we'll talk more about what partner program we have on the next slide. So our partner program is very straightforward. It's really about teaming up with our partners together and having a great experience. The margins, because that's something that partners are always keen on to know first, is you get 20% on the SaaS fees for LS Retail products, including the embedded Dynamics 365 SKUs. So you buy this as one package together. And if you sell any other solutions that are available on that CSP, Cloud Solution Provider price list, you get 10% on these solutions as well. We really help you with your sales engagement. Our learning is when we help you in the first two, you're up and running and you can do the rest by yourself, but we're keen on helping you to win as many deals as possible. You get a nice badge, as you can see on the right side, to profile yourself as a company. So you can show the market that you are a certified partner for LS Express, and we've got 3 levels here as well. And we're also very, very keen on giving you the right marketing support. This is really a market where marketing is key. People need to know about the solution, and we're having a funding available for the most committed partners. It really takes here to have a good marketing plan and get in touch with us to discuss how we can help you to support your marketing activities. To also help you get you going, we offer a 3 months free trial for your first 3 customers, and they will get 1 POS and 1 full user available to get going. And our partners that got started really like this because it's a very low entrance level then to get going. And obviously, because we're in a partner program together, we want to give you access to early roadmap visibilities and also get your feedback in optimizing the solution for the needs of your customers. So that's in a nutshell really what our partner program is all about. So let's give an example here. It's an example of an American partner called System Solutions LLC, and you see that's Dave Durenberger there, who is the director of sales at LSC. And as you can read a bit about this partner, they're coming out of the Microsoft partner program. They're focusing on Microsoft Dynamics 365, and they got started in just a couple of months ago with LS Express, basically in February 2018. And they have already several customers up and running here. And you can see by the names, these are really nice family stores that were looking for a fast and easy retail solution and getting them up and running quickly. You can see Dave runs the sales there. I think important to understand is also, and I think that's really good what they describe in their company profile, is what kind of services they offer. So they're really about 24/7 support, which is key in retail. Obviously, they do hardware and other stuff around it, installations and training as well. So they really wrap up their offering around the retail management system they offer and have become very successful quickly. So I think this is really shows you what's the market thereafter, where does the solution really fit, what type of services do we offer to make this successful. Again, you don't see consultancy here. It's really about the volume and about many customers and offering their great support to get them successful in running LS Express. So let's talk about the requirements to get started. That's really the good part of it, because this is a very easy, simple, and fast solution, as we said before. So it only takes 1 hour free of charge training to get you up and running on the solution. To discuss all the legal work, you need to sign a partner agreement in which you'll find details on how we work together, our copyright protections, and all that fun stuff you surely know all about. So that's what you need. What you get is a lot of goodies. We have a good online resources available. For example, check out our YouTube channel or our Getting Started website to get you going. Once you've signed the partner agreement, you get access to our partner portal with some more details available there. So as a next step, all you need to do now is to go to our website, lsretail.com, and find the Become a Partner section. Fill out the application form, in which you see a screen dump on the right side, and that ends up with our partner operations team at pops@lsretail.com, but the mail is sent automatically from our website, and then we get in contact with you. We have a discussion. We agree that we can be great partners for the solution. Maybe you want to talk about how do I make this solution available in my country. So we get into a good conversation. And once we agree that we should become partners and work together on this, then we'll contact the LS Express team for the 1 hour free training. So that's really in a nutshell. It's very straightforward to become a partner here. So this is about the product, about the market, about our partner program. But the thing you really want to know is, of course, how does the solution look like? So let's hand it over to Gua, our product director, to show you a bit more about the solution. And after that, we'll have a discussion with questions and answers. So we hope you to give an answer on all your questions. So Gua, over to you now.
Thank you, Peter. Well, LS Express is an easy point of sale and retail software that works straight out of the box, and you can run it on any of your favorite devices, on iOS, Windows, or Android. It is a true cloud solution, so customers can stop worrying about tedious IT management. We manage the software and infrastructure, and of course we handle all needed maintenance. So there is no extra cost and no hassle. You can log in to LS Express directly from the web and manage your store operations anytime and anywhere. It's not just a web point of sale system, but also a full ERP solution. You will have a clear overview of your sales. You can follow trends and then react accordingly based on the specific needs of your shop. You can manage your inventory quickly and easily, simplify your bookkeeping procedures, and keep your data consistent. The setup is straightforward and the configuration is easy. You just have to follow the walkthrough directions. When you have signed up for LS Express, it will include, or the tenant will include, 2 companies. You will have one demo company, where you can play around as much as you like to get familiar with the system. And then you will also have My Company. That includes only setup data. When you're ready, you can switch to My Company and follow these easy steps to set up. When you switch to My Company, a setup window automatically starts where you are asked for some basic information about your company, like the company name, the address, and so on. And you type that in, and when you have finished that, you can import the company's logo. This will then be shown on documents like invoices and the receipt at the point of sale. Here you can put in your phone number, email, and maybe homepage. Here you specify the bank information which will be included on documents you send to customers and vendors to inform about payments to your bank account. And then we are finished. And as this setup is based on the US release, the next step is to set up the default tax area code to assign to customers and vendors so the sales tax is automatically calculated. I need to find the city rate, like this, county, and then the state. And you can choose to copy this to customers or vendors, but as we haven't imported any, we only added to company information. Then we come to the data migration. In this case, we are using Excel to import data. You need to download the template and fill it in with your data. And to avoid extra work, you can use templates where you specify import settings for customers, vendors, and item, like this. And on the items, we have an example on how you can change the setting in the template before importing. Like here, we need to add the tax group code to the template. Press OK, and then you select the file or the document with your data, and you will have an overview of how many records were created. And you choose merge, and then this setup is finished. You can now view items and maybe add pictures to them. That makes the navigation in the item list easier. And you do it like this. Select import, and then you choose the image. Yes. And when you have added the pictures to all your items, then your item list will look something like this. Now we come to the LS Express setup, which starts with creating the point of sale subscription. By selecting how many POS you intend to use, and then you have to give your email address. You need to create at least one staff member to log in at the point of sale. All sales at the point of sale are not attached to specific customers. It will be posted to a generic customer profile, that is, if there is no specific customer attached. You can select an existing customer profile from the list or create a new one, like we do in this case. At the point of sale, you can accept various payment methods. We have already created a cash payment method, and you can either create more payments in this list or do it later. That's it. And to start using the point of sale, you need to change the settings to open the LS Express Rule Center. And do it like this. And you are ready to go, and you can start selling. So let's go through one sale. We select an item from our item list. And then we go to payments. And in this case, the customer is paying with cash. And the sale is posted, and you can now email or print the receipt. And now I will show you a few very short videos with more processes.
You are running a modern, customer-oriented retail business, so you know it's critical to have easy access to just your essential tools. And with LS Express, you have those standard retail management and operating tools, and the integration to Microsoft gives you an all-in-one solution tailored to your business with access whenever and wherever. That means the convenience from your phone to the traditional point-of-sale counter at your shop. At any time during your sale, assign it to a customer, either from an existing customer list or easily create a new customer directly at the point of sale using templates created in the settings. Add products to the point of sale by simply scanning the barcode, search by item lookup, or choosing from an items list. Right within the items list at the POS, there's direct access to additional information about the item. This will empower your staff with the knowledge on the brand or product your customer is about to purchase. Again, right at the point of sale, assign discounts, either to the total transaction or just by the line. And if you select Show More, you see detailed information about the sale, such as customer information, sales tax, or the total discount given. When the customer is ready to go, finalize the sale and choose to print or email the receipt. Though, if in a more B2B transaction, you can also choose to print or email an invoice. With LS Express, access to a modern customer-oriented retail business is easier, simpler, faster. A new, modern point-of-sale system can improve your customer satisfaction. With LS Express, it's effortless to make your customers happy. Come on, let's take a look. My role-based dashboard gives me quick access to key business information, but let me just show you how to start selling. Easily add your customer to the sale. Now you can access their sales history. See previously bought products and offer a more personalized service. Alike items may be just arrived, or may be added to the reduced priced items. Okay, go ahead. Just let your customer shop at their own pace. Add the items they want, and simply suspend the transaction, just like this. Even add a comment to the transaction. That way you can easily retrieve it from any terminal or device in only a few clicks. See, right back to where we left off with Diane. Okay, she's ready to check out. Currently, can your customers use a combination of payments? Cash? Right, pretty typical. But what about a debit or credit card? Kind of, sort of? Do you offer store credit or coupons? Well, you name it, LS Express can accept it. Then let your customer decide. Keep it paperless and email the receipt, or rock it old school and take a print. With LS Express, customer service is easier, simpler, faster. How do you handle returns? Not allowed, all sales are final? Or case-by-case exceptions? Maybe you just have a third party deal with it. Well, with LS Express, it's simple to process a return or even exchange items. Come on, let's check it out. access the sales history to look up the sale. Select Return Items. The system will show those items sold, then simply select the one the customer wants to return and proceed. Exchanges are just as easy. Have the customer add the item they want before processing the return. As you see in this case, the exchanging item is less expensive than the returning one. You now have the option to refund the remaining amount or provide a store credit voucher. And just like the end of any transaction, email or printed receipt. With Ellis Express, your returns are handled easier, simpler, faster. Does balancing your cash drawer give you dollar signs or give you a headache? Do you wish there was an easier way to manage your daily cash? Ellis Express makes it simple to balance your cash drawers throughout the day and at closing. Let me show you how. At the start of each business day, add your beginning balance. Simply go into the POS, add to drawer, then enter the amount you choose to start your day with. That's it. You're all set. Now you can open your store and start selling. Oh look, here's a customer now. Let's process their sale. And in just a few clicks, they have the item they want and are on their way. Easy, simple, fast. Keeping the right amount of currency in your drawer is painless. During the day, remove cash from the drawer by selecting Remove from Drawer. Then, the payment method to which you're removing, type in the removing amount, and select your reason code. Throughout the day, it's easy to view your sales numbers and cash information for any given period of time with any given criteria of drawers or staff members. Closing the day is a breeze with our step-by-step wizard to guide you through the process. Select the cash drawer or staff of which you want to close out, but go ahead and leave this field empty to get a combined summary of all drawers and staff. Count the exact amount of each payment method, and the system will automatically notify you if there's a difference between what should be in the drawer and what you entered you counted. Then, review the posted closeout. End-of-day cash management in Ellis Express is easier, simpler, faster.
As Ellis Express is integrated with Microsoft suite of products, which means no more switching in and out of applications, you can now do everything in one single system by adding O365 or Power BI subscription, for example. And the possibilities to improve your service and increase your profitability are endless. You can, for example, build customer loyalty, get new customers, and grow your business with the Microsoft connections. Or if you sell services as well, you can manage sales and appointments with Microsoft Bookings and invoice them within Business Central. And you can create a personalized dashboard with 360 degrees overview of your business with Power BI and create some beautiful reports like this. And this was the demo from me. Thank you.